Hey fam, I am staying in a balcony room for a 10-day cruise aboard Ruby Princess. Let's go check it out. Starting from the front door, right away to the right, you can see this huge closet. One thing I like about Princess is that they have these huge closets. There's space above it, and then this huge closet that you can put your luggage below it, as well as they have hangers for you to hang up your clothes. Obviously, you can ask for more hangers if you so desire. In this closet here, you'll find more storage as well as your safe. Look at all these shelves for your storage. Look at all these shelves for your storage. And I'm by myself in this room, so it is plenty of storage for me. Now here you will find your bathroom. Now there is a step up, so be careful. There is a step up. I don't want anybody tripping. And so there's a curtain for the bathroom. It is not a closed-in shower. It's a good enough shower for me. You will find your shower gel, your shampoo. Here you will find your towels, and there's shelves right here in the bathroom as well. 3 levels of shelves. And this is enough storage as well for me. Maybe if you have more than one person in this room, it may not be enough, but I feel like this counter is enough for me. And additional storage underneath, and you will find also your wastebasket. Leaving from there, right away, you will find this full standing mirror. Here you'll find your thermostat. And now we're going into the main bedroom area. Now this is the bed. On each side of the bed, you will find 2 lamps, and you will also find additional storage as well. Here you will find big screen TV. Is it the biggest ever? Big enough for me while you're on a cruise. I think I like that. You'll find here a table with another wastebasket underneath it. Here they have set up like a little mini bar. They have given me elite benefits even though I am platinum on this cruise ship. So they will set you up with a little mini bar at least one time for the cruise. And underneath here, you will find your mini fridge. Now over here, you will find your desk and additional storage right underneath here. This is also storage as well. A chair. You will find your phone and also your hair dryer. Another mirror and a huge mirror over the bed. So enough mirrors for you to get ready. There is not short of mirrors in this room, right? A little mirror here as well. So let me just give you one more overview of the bedroom area, just to kind of for you to see it in its size and see how it looks overall. Now I'm going to head onto the balcony. Coming straight through these doors, you have the balcony. This is good enough space. Remember, it's just me. Good enough space for me. A nice sized balcony. Look at all this space. Little table, 2 chairs. We're still at the port, and then I'm walking back into the room. I almost forgot the outlets. So there's 2 outlets here, right here by the phone on the desk. And there's an outlet up here above where the mini bar is and where the fridge is. So there's an outlet up there, and then a place you can rest your phone, your laptop, whatever it is, you can put it right up there. And let me not forget the one in the bathroom. And so here is one also in the bathroom. So what do you think about the room? So I like this room. I think it's good enough for me. It has enough space for me. As I said, Princess always give you enough luggage space. If you have people, the one thing when I do Carnival, I feel like, they have closets, but it's not huge and open like this. And so sometimes like it may not be enough if you have a lot of luggage. And so this is a 10-day cruise. So if somebody was in the room with me and they decided to bring a couple of luggage pieces, then it may get crazy. But having that open closet like it is just like it gives you the room to have the space to bring couple of luggages, and then if you really need it, then you could always put something underneath the bed. And so this is my review of the balcony aboard Ruby Princess. Can you do me a favor, family? Can you like, comment, and subscribe? Click on the notification bell to be informed of future posts. Guess what, family? It is free of charge to do so, and it will greatly help my channel. And until next time, happy travels.